Let's delve into the process of setting up a Steam account using your mobile device, whether you're wielding an iPhone or an Android. Follow along with this straightforward tutorial. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials in the future. Your support means a lot to us. First things first, fire up any web browser on your device. Since I'm using an iPhone, I'll launch Safari. In the search bar, simply type in Steam. Next, navigate to the official Steam website to kick off the account creation process. You can find the link to the website in the description of this video for easy access. Once you're on the official Steam site, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen to reveal a side menu. From there, select Login. Then click on Join Steam. This action will redirect you to a page where you can initiate the account creation process. Begin by entering the email address you wish to associate with your Steam account. Confirm your email by entering it a second time, and your country should autofill. Now, verify that you're not a robot by completing the necessary verification steps and confirm that you meet the age requirement of at least 13 years old. Next up, check your email inbox for a message from Steam. Open the email and follow the provided instructions to verify your email address. Once verified, return to your web browser to finalize the account setup. Enter your desired Steam account name and choose a secure password. After completing these steps, click on Done to successfully create your Steam account on your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a comment below and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.